How to log into your Bank of America's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Bank of America's account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Bank of America. After that, click on the first link, which is Bank of America, and then you will be taken to the official homepage of Bank of America, where on the left side of the screen you can see the login box, which is in red. Now in order to log in, simply enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged in or signed in to your Bank of America's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot ID/password, and once you follow all the prompts provided to you, you will have successfully recovered them. Similarly, if you are not yet enrolled to online banking services of Bank of America, you can simply do so by tapping the option enroll. So that is basically how you log into your Bank of America's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.